Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good day, my people. My name is Thabang. I am the founder of Sanction today, a clothing brand established within the boundaries of Kimberley in 2016. What we basically do, we actually a retailing company, retailing clothing. We buy our products from manufacturing companies, and then we go to printing companies. We're going to print them as well. So basically, what we're doing is we're selling a name. The name that we are selling is Sanction today. In other words, in simple ways, it means to authorize yourself to be brave. We've seen a lot of people doing business in the clothing industry, so we also decided to do clothing because of there is no other way to share our message of the brand's Sanction today, meaning to authorize yourself to be brave. Well, we got social media. We can get us in our platforms, all platforms, social media platforms at Sanction today. My number is 078-069-9273. Where we operate in 23 Dinku Street, Galeshewe, Kimberley, Northern Cape. My name is Thabang and I'm a township entrepreneur.